Safiya Nygaard and Holo Taco did a collaboration, and today we're going to be testing it out. This is a collection bundle with 5 specialty nail polishes, a Safiya crystal glass nail file, and a packet of cute bat glitter decals. This collection will set you back $82. Spoiler alert guys, this collection sold out within 20 minutes of launching. So this is actually very hot property. Hopefully there's round 2 for those of you who missed out. I love this box. It has these bat cutouts in this night sky, a little bit spooky. And of course, it has to be holographic. It's giving me spell book vibes. I'm gonna cast a spell on you. Jokes, I'm not a witch. FYI, I am going to do some nail art after, so stick around until then. Let's get swatching. I've got my fake little finger here. Boop. And we're gonna test out the first shade called Spirit Fingers. Definitely a Bring It On reference.
Okay, now spirit fingers, spirit fingers. These are spirit fingers.
First coat is a little bit sheer, but you can kind of still see that hint of magenta when I turn the nail. It's really subtle though. It's a very interesting color combination. I'm gonna go in with the second coat. The way it applies on the nail is really smooth. The glitter is fine, so you don't get that chunky bulkiness. I'm gonna go in with a third layer. I like how 3 coats is looking. It covers the whole nail and the gray is a little bit more pigmented now. To me, the shimmer looks more obvious. I don't know if the camera's picking it up too well though. I'm gonna top it off with the glossy taco. I think you get the best coverage with 3 coats of this. I think the color is interesting, but let's see what it looks like with flash. Ooh, yes, okay. Now we can see some magenta action happening. Next shade is called Brucey, and it's a muted dark teal with linear holographic shimmers. Shake, shake, shake. Wow, this shade is opaque, guys. That's 1 coat and it's looking pretty good. In regular lighting, I think this color looks okay. I think the shimmers are a little bit too small, so it's not super obvious that there's something magical about it. But when I hit it with some flash, that's when it shines. Now we can see the holo. Next shade is Feeling Fiendish. This is like a mauve magenta in the cream formula. So no special effects glitter here. Ooh, that's smooth. That went on very smooth. Opacity is chef's kiss. This color's fun, I like it. I didn't even need that second coat, but hey, look how good it looks. Smooth like a baby's bottom. I know, I have a baby. Next shade, the name says it all, Bat Beach. It's a black pearl polish with a little bit of blue shimmer. It's definitely a statement color. Okay, a little bit sheer for my liking, but we can build it up. Okay, coat number 2 definitely saves the day. It's kind of looking like regular black polish at the moment. The blue shimmer is a little bit harder to see in normal light. You have to look like really close to even notice that it's got blue. With flash on, we can now see some sparkle. It's very, very subtle though. To me, I like how it looks in the bottle. It just doesn't come out the same effect on the nail. If you're going to get this polish, apply 3 coats. I just think it looks better. The blue shimmer is very, very subtle and you can only see it when the light hits it. So if you're looking for something a little bit different to your regular boring black, this could be it. The 5th shade is called Bury Me in Holo. Let me read you the product description. There's no better way to go than Bury Me in Holo, the perfect match to Safiya's iconic Franken lipstick. Admire the miracles of modern beauty science and this berry-colored crush holographic polish. No chopping, smacking, or melting required. If you've watched Safiya's content, you know she's known for her Frankenstein creations, so I'm very excited for this color. This polish has the most poppin' glitter, or the most obvious one, I feel. Even though there's more glitter in these, the formula is still very smooth. 2 coats is enough, but if you want that extra opacity, go ahead and apply a 3rd. I'm excited to see it under the light. Oh yeah, she's popping. The glitter chunks aren't too big in this. I feel like it's actually a very small specks of Holo. Now that I've swatched all 5 shades, let me come up with some nail art with my favorite colors. It's been a long time since I've done nail art with regular polish, so I'm nervous. First, I'm going to paint on a little bit of Brucey just on the tips to create a French tip design. I don't have to be exact with this because I'm just going to clean it up with some nail polish remover. Then for my other fingers, I'm going to apply 1 layer of Spirit Fingers. I actually want this shade Sheer because I'm going to go in with Bat Beach and use this color to create some line work. I'm doing a line down the center of my nails. And then creating these little half French tips near my cuticle and on the free edge to get this really cool design. FYI, I just want to say, nail polish is so hard to do art with. It's so not forgiving like gel polish, which is what I'm used to. Definitely a challenge. I'm so not used to working with normal polish because I keep touching everything and it keeps smudging. For my other hand, I've done the same design just on different nails, and instead of using Brucey for the French tip, I'm going to use Bury Me in Holo. That smudge. Ta-da! This is the design. What do you guys think? Okay, I am missing 1 color. Feeling Fiendish didn't make the cut, though I really like that formula and that color. I just feel like there would be too much going on if I used all 5 colors. Let me know what you think of my nail art. Overall, I think this is a really fun collection. It's not as out there as some of Holo Taco's other special effects nail polish. I feel like the Holo is a bit more toned down in this collection. My 2 favorite shades out of this collection would be Brucey and Feeling Fiendish. What's yours? Now, if you guys want to see more nail videos, you can check out this one here on screen and don't forget to click subscribe. I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!